deep in your soul, a feeling deep in your soul. I love when she does that. A feeling. Oh, it's my favorite. Barbara Joan Streisand, born April 24th, 1942 in Brooklyn. Now, is it a coincidence that my mother was born April 22nd, 1952 in Brooklyn? I mean, we're cousins. Barbara.
Hello, gorgeous.
Is it a coincidence? Hey, and welcome to video number 2. Because I've changed my lashes and my hair and the lighting and the camera overheating and all kinds of fun stuff happening, you're gonna see some high quality digital content today, and I hope that you are ready. Please excuse all of that because I'm a beginner and I'm trying. I don't wanna cry. The audio should be so much better in this video because I got my act together and got a microphone, so right, we're a one-woman team over here at Slightly Dramatic Productions. I can to bring you some entertainment, some value, some inspiration, and today you are in for a real treat because this look right here I got with products that were all under $10. So obviously it's drugstore makeup. Who doesn't love a drugstore moment? Can I get a high five? Okay. All right, and the Spanish word of the day today is maquillaje. Oh yeah, it means makeup. And I know what you're thinking. Deniece, how would I use that in a sentence? Well, let me show you. You could say something like, oh wow, Deniece, I really like your maquillaje. Your maquillaje looks really, really good. I know, right? I mean, thank you. All right, so let's stop with all that diggy and get into the products. Go. Okay, sorry. As always, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but you can thank me for making it. All right, let's go from the top. So this primer is the Jelly Elf Dew Primer. It's about $8 at Ulta, $5 on the NYX. Whoa. Not the same brand. The Elf Jelly Dew Pop Primer. It smells like watermelons. I love it. It's really cheap and it's really, really good. Foundation's gonna stick nicely to it, lasts all day. Also, I am loving this LA Girl HD Pro foundation because of the coverage. I've cocktailed it with the NYX Born to Glow foundation. There's really no need to do this, I'm just extra. But I like it. I like both of the foundations together and it was okay. Now, my favorite part of the makeup process has to be concealer. Now, I'm loving the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is the hydrating concealer. I use one to color correct and then I use a ColourPop other concealer to lighten up my under eyes, and I've been liking this concoction, and they're both really great companies and really great value. Now this sponge is okay. This is a new product for me. It's by Juno & Co. I don't love the texture. Even when I wet it, it's not that great, but here we are. I really like this loose powder just to set. It doesn't change the color of my foundation or do anything kind of weird, so I love that. This brow product is something I got in my boxycharm. I know, shocker. I subscribe to boxycharm. So not only do I buy drugstore and high-end makeup, but I also subscribe. I have an addiction. Okay, moving on. Any brown eyeshadow or anything for your brows is fine. I'm not gonna spend $30 again, I'll tell you that. I didn't spend $30 to begin with. Okay, another LA Girl product is this Pro Face HD powder. Now I'm using it as a bronzer. I think this is supposed to be like a setting powder, but I love it as a bronzer. I got it in warm caramel. It's amazing. You need to have it. My camera played me in this next clip and didn't show the rest of my eyes. I have one eye look. This is kind of it. That's it. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. It's amazing. It's like $5, $6. So anything by Wet n Wild is... So I don't know why Wet n Wild makes some bomb products. And this blush is so pigmented, you just need a very little bit. The color is so nice. This one is Mellow Wine. It's $3.49. Just get it. This is a new product for me from Makeup Revolution's Hyaluronic Fix. I love any setting spray. Under $10, we're good. We're good to go. It's a nice spray. So this is by far my favorite makeup item to buy, and this is the highlighter. Again, another Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow highlighting powder. I'm obsessed with it. This is canopy of my trails or canopy of my bed. I don't know. my canopy bed. I don't know. It's amazing and so cheap. And then I fell in love with this lip liner by Revlon, Color Stay. Color is Rose. I love it. It's so pretty and it goes with any skin tone. It's not too dark, not too light. It's great. This is another new product for me. This is a Suede matte lipstick by NYX. And I really liked it. I saw another YouTuber using it and it's just like, again, another great pinky nude, as if we needed another pinky nude, but here we are. And then another Wet n Wild product. If you want to sponsor this next time, call me. Liquid cat suit. This is great. It has some really nice pigment and it's also just comfortable on the lip. It lasts all day. It's not sticky. And then I just took my highlighter and did that little inner corner highlight. I mean, why not? I love multifunctional products, okay? And that's it. That's the look. Super easy. You know, maybe you're gonna go to a Barbra Streisand concert. Maybe you're gonna go to a NSYNC concert. Just kidding, because it's not 2001. Did you like that? Did you like the products? Are there products that you need to tell me about?
Oh yes, honey.
I know you want to subscribe to this channel because you never know what I have up my YouTube sleeve. So I'll catch you here every Friday. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the things. And I'll see you here next Friday. Bye. Does anyone else love Barbra Streisand? I thought that was recording the whole time.